It's POV, just waiting for the one. You know what I mean? Like, ekhaya ngisbaye mama abanga ngikushada mina yazi. Global ngenkomo eningi yazi.
Ghost Louie has people talking again after revealing that the cows are already available back at home and all he's waiting for right now is the right woman to pay lobola for. And hearing that immediately got me thinking, do you actually see Ghost Louie getting married anytime soon? And if he does, who do you think he will end up marrying? The reason I'm asking is because at this point it's hard not to think about Sima. No matter how many times these two break up, they somehow always find their way back to each other. We've watched this cycle play out over and over again. They go their separate ways, people assume it's over for good, and then before you know it, they're spending time together again. So here's my second question. Do you think there'll ever be a breakup that's truly permanent? Or are Ghost Louie and Sima simply meant to be together? After all, Sima once famously said, "Kore soulmate ki soulmate." That statement has stuck with a lot of fans because looking at everything that's happened since then, it's easy to understand why people still believe there could be something special between them. Lately, we've seen more pictures and videos of the two hanging out together, laughing, smiling, and looking genuinely comfortable around each other. When you watch those moments, you almost forget how many times they've called it quits in the past. Their chemistry just seems so natural that many people can't help but wonder if they're slowly finding their way back to each other once again. Of course, spending time together doesn't automatically mean they're back in a relationship. They could simply be good friends who have learned how to support each other despite everything they've been through. But let's be honest, the internet doesn't see it in that way. Every time they're spotted together, the dating rumors start all over again and fans begin connecting the dots. Now, if Ghost Louie is seriously thinking about paying lobola in the future, that naturally raises even more questions. Has he already found the woman he wants to spend the rest of his life with? Or is he genuinely still waiting for the right person to come into his life? Only he knows the answer to that. Personally, I think if Ghost Louie and Sima can finally build a stable relationship without constantly breaking up, they could actually surprise a lot of people. But if history repeats itself, we might just be watching another chapter in a story that never seems to end. What do you think? Do you honestly believe Sima is the woman Ghost Louie will eventually marry? Or do you think they're better off as friends and he'll end up with someone completely different? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Like,
Peace.
ekhaya ngisbaye mama abanga ngikushada mina yazi. Global ngenkomo eningi yazi.